what you'll see when you click on the Flipgrid app link. Please note that the camera icon is red. What that means is your story is moderated and will be completely private except to the staff of SYSI. In other words, when you record a response, no one else will see it but us. Here's a welcome video for you. Hello and welcome to Speak Your Story. After you listen to the intro, you click either this button here, record a response, or this button here. At that point, you will go to the Flipgrid app interface. Hi, this is very important. If you do not want your video to be seen, if you would like an audio only version of your recording, you can click on options, mic only. That's it. There you go. You can also record using another interface and upload the clip. So for example, if you prefer iMovie or Screencastify or Loom or any number of ways to record yourself for the internet. Another thing you can do if you like is you can change your filters. Let me go back and put my face back on. There I am. Click on effects, click on filters. It's very popular to blur yourself out using Legos or just pixelations. Either way also ensures your privacy. Of course, if you don't mind, you can make yourself rainbow colored or black and white or any other number of filters on Flipgrid. You can play with it as much as you want or as little as you want. We welcome everything. But one other feature we would like to show you is the text feature. If you would like to add some text to your video, you can choose any number of these fonts. You can also choose stickers, another way to preserve anonymity if you would like. You can add photos if you have a photo of your family you would like to add, maybe yourself. Don't forget you can resize, you can play with this in any way you wish. The important thing, of course, is that we can hear your story. All right, I hope this tutorial has helped. Thank you very much.